The FOMC raised its policy interest rate by 0.75 of a percentage point and anticipates that ongoing increases in the target range for the federal funds.
Hey guys, check this out. The Fed hikes interest rates by 0.75 percentage points for a second consecutive time to fight inflation. The United States is officially in a recession. We'll explain how that impacts the crypto markets. Let's dive into this article here. Chairman Powell said that there will be a point where the Fed starts to slow hikes to assess their impact. And what he's saying after this news, this announcement that happened yesterday, is that they don't consider or believe that the US economy is currently in a recession, but is softening. But official confirmation of a recession is 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth. So with that being said, we are officially in a recession. Despite the news, despite, everyone else is saying 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth is a recession. Looking here at what they just said and the level of incompetency that's happening within some governments, looking at Bitcoin and how it's reacting, I know everyone was looking and, we did have technical Tuesdays, and yes, Bitcoin did go up. But guys, what's going to happen is pretty much confirm that a drop is coming. It may not be this week, it may not be next week. A drop is coming. And typically what's happening, with the macroeconomic conditions is that, you're going to see a slow tapering off. So you're even seeing it with credit. So people that may have had a $15,000 credit card, they're getting notices that, okay, now it's going to be $14,000. Now, and then there's going to be $13,000. They're pulling back available credit. It's happening. So typically what's going to happen is, and you can see what's going to happen is we're going to have a drop. It's going to happen. I'm getting all your messages. I see it, but I'm not changing my bias. We're seeing the same setup that we've seen in May, a slight pullback. Everyone thinks the grass is green. It's pulling back. Everything's looking good. And we're going to have a drop. We're going to break this counter trend line. That's my call. And so with that, with everything going on, now is the time to accumulate. So, I look at this and I think about the last bear run that we went through, and it was the same situation. Everyone thought it's over. Everyone starts panicking. The difference is now, being in a point of recession is people are going to need their cash. And so people aren't going to sell, their crypto just because they're fearful now. They're going to sell it because they need it. It went from, spending, $40 to fill up your tank to taking $80 to fill up your tank. That's a big jump. And people are going to need their cash, not because they don't believe in crypto, because they actually need it to live. And so that's what I think is going to happen. I think that's going to trigger a drop. But one thing that can help you with that is checking, is dollar cost averaging and continuing, this isn't financial advice, but continuing to just dump a little bit, whether it's $5. I had a friend of ours, she's starting to just dump $5 a week. She can't dump a lot. Most people can't, right? But just dump $5 a week, $5 a week, $5 a week, and continuing to dollar cost average and take advantage of these price points. So that's kind of what we're looking at here. And one way to do that is to check out this exchange that is really, considered to be, one of the easiest exchanges out there, and it's called XBO. So if you own a Bored Ape, or if you know someone that owns a Bored Ape, you don't want to miss out on this. So XBO is a new cryptocurrency exchange for web and mobile, which is huge because everyone needs mobile. We're all on the go, and it differentiates itself from the competition by being simple to use, and not only being simple to use, but being accessible to beginners. So now this could be a Coinbase alternative. So it will be launching at the end of August and the start of September, and it's currently open for early registration. So take advantage of that. You're able to get in an exchange early. That is huge. So XBO.com will offer a range of cryptocurrency related services, starting from a crypto exchange to OTC buying and selling. The company is currently looking to hire Bored Ape to act as its official representative, which is big news. So taking a look at that, being able to act as its official representative or brand ambassador, that's big. So taking a look about XBO and really what they're doing, but also the opportunity to get in early. So we know Bored Ape Yacht Club was launched back in April of 2021 by Yuga Labs. So Yuga Labs grants their NFT owners the right to use their images commercially. if you own a Bored Ape, or if you know someone who owns one, you don't want to miss this. So even if you own one, you just connect your wallet, which is going to verify the NFT that you own one, and then you have an opportunity to enter the audition. So definitely want to take advantage of this, looking at what they're doing and potentially becoming a brand ambassador. That's big. So one cool thing the company is doing is it's currently looking to hire Bored Ape to act as this official representative or brand ambassador. So you might have heard of NFTs, including Bored Ape Yacht Club being licensed for various roles. The Bored Ape Yacht Club was launched in April 2021 by Yuga Labs, as we already know. Yuga Labs grants their NFT owners the rights to use their images commercially. So we've already seen a number of Bored Apes that have been licensed in roles in movies such as D-Gen Trilogy, or even being hired as reps for brands such as Siempre Tequila. So XBO.com is currently holding an audition to find its own Bored Ape and is paying top dollar in rights for the digital collectible. The owner of the selected Bored Ape will receive $100,000. This is big. So that's not bad for a period that has been relatively quiet on the NFT front. So there's no indication on the site regarding what it's going to take for the ape to be selected. It could be that XBO.com is looking for specific traits or colors or matches to its brand. So to enter this audition, all you must do is own a Bored Ape. So everyone wants to get in something early. This exchange could be the alternative to Coinbase. Everyone's looking for that alternative to Coinbase. This actually might be one. Take a look at XBO.com. It's very new, but you have an opportunity to take advantage of these different packages and these different features. They have silver, gold, platinum, and diamond packages, and free crypto deposits, exchange cash back, which isn't seen much, especially in these market conditions. So this is definitely something. And they also have a black diamond tier, which is huge, where once you get in, what happens in black diamond stays in black diamond. I actually like what they're doing here. XBO card, which is, they have different cards and crypto rewards, which why not earn crypto for doing things you're already gonna do? There we go again. There's another way to make crypto right there. If you're already trying to accumulate crypto, despite these markets, despite our sentiment within the markets, which we actually see as an opportunity, not a negative connotation, but an opportunity to accumulate, why not even take advantage of this, where you can get crypto rewards for doing things you're already going to do anyway? So definitely take a look at XBO.com. Links will be in the description. Definitely a good exchange to take a look at, because they're actually helping people get into the markets. When you talk about gateway to crypto, people not understanding what to do, think anything that's like a Coinbase alternative that's actually easy to use, as Coinbase by far is the easiest exchange to use. Okay, if anything can be a Coinbase alternative and have that easy to use for the brand new person, I'm all for it. So take a look at this. Take a look at XBO.com. It's registered for early access. Links will be below. And then let's dive back into these charts here. Looking at the charts, a way to, kind of analyze. One thing I wanted to share with you guys is there is divergence on these charts. Divergence, a bearish divergence right here. We got this going down, okay? This point going down. If you look straight up into the charts, away from the stochastic, it's going up. This is a bearish stochastic, bearish divergence. So looking here at what's going on, a drop is happening, guys. It's happening. There's no other way. Despite these technical analysts going on and saying, oh, this was the bottom, guys, all you gotta do is look what happened in May. Just look what happened in May, and we see it. Just look what happens in May, and from there, from looking at that and look what's happening here, you see very very similar reactions and technical analysis of what's going on. So we're bearish right now. I'm waiting for a drop. We are accumulating. You can check out XBO.com really to help you navigate through crypto. Especially, a lot of people don't want to touch Coinbase right now. So I'm going to share with you anything that can help you get into crypto easily, but also maintain that security, but also help you earn crypto. So they're giving you an opportunity to earn crypto. Check that out. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. This is a season of opportunity. This is not necessarily a bad thing. It's bad, on the macro perspective, it is bad. But when we look at the big picture, like 5-10 years from now, this will be an opportunity to accumulate wealth. Times like this, times of uncertainty, times of fear is when people's lives are changed forever. So guys, keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you soon.